a different market. Our market was closed, so we're going to try a new market we've never been to. Han, what's the name of this market?
Liloan Market. Liloan Public Market.
Liloan Public Market. This is only about a year old.
Yeah. I don't know. This is my first time here.
It's your first time here?
Yeah, I will ask Daniel, the girl. First time here. Asa diri, ma'am? Bukod niya. First time.
Thank you. Huh? Entrance. Good? Got to get your temperature taken. Well, this is a pretty good size. Lots of fruit everywhere. Hello. Look at this thing. We got big bags of charcoal. Wow, this place is huge. And this is a big place. First impressions, very clean. Ah, here we go, chicken. Han? Hello.
Hi.
Hello. What, no pig's feet for you? No pig feet for you?
That's it, John.
Russian. How much is the chicken, or how much is it, the pork? 260.
190.
So $4 for 250. Yeah, so $4 for 2 pounds.
Kuanan sa kan inipis para sugba. Manok, ma'am.
And the chicken?
Wala mo pulos breast part. Oh, naa. Kanila ako breast part.
Kilo? How much?
190.
190.
Saan ba kilo? 4.
So about $4 for 2 pounds.
Ah. Ay, daw tagay sa pagpaliw baby. Pulos breast niya day.
I like the way they sell everything. This is packets for doing your laundry. They wash them mostly by hand here, so they buy these packets, which is easier to do as tiny loads. And it doesn't look very busy today, but it is open, which is good because our place wasn't open. So we got some nice fish, shrimp, tuna, what's it?
Yellowfin.
Yellowfin. We got what, squid here?
Yeah.
Squid. No clams or nothing?
Look there.
Oh, they got crab if you want crab tonight. You want to eat crab?
Still fun, no? Jumping. Ayaw lang. Ay, tagpila. 100. Walay tunga lang siya sa 100. Kaya mix man all together. That's
Oh, okay. This for tomorrow or tonight?
Tomorrow.
Ah.
No, yummy.
Huh?
Yummy. Pila ganito 300. Oh, nangita ko babay. Kaya mas tambok man ang bar. Ano daw?
Got you what you want?
Nagsilang sila. Ang kanin siya?
180 ma'am.
Lamin niya siya sa baon, te?
Oo, yung grip ka ma'am.
Yummy kini siya, Han.
Huh?
Kani daw? Way gamay-gamay. Akas, pila mga pila ka nakakilo.
Wala, abot pagtunga mo may free rin. Huh?
Usa lang eh. American.
Oi. Nothing like fresh fish, huh?
Thank you.
Okay. You'll walk around and see on the outside, see what's this
Okay.
exit. That's exit.
Exit?
Exit.
Okay.
They have a place to eat over here if you want to get your lunch. Huh?
We're turning there.
Yeah, walk. Okay. The reason why we came here today is because when we go into the wet market in Constellation, it was actually closed. So we had to come over here to Liloan, which is about a 15-minute drive from our house. We've never been here. We came here, that's the proper way. We came here to get our stuff for tomorrow because tomorrow is Liam's birthday. And we want to get, she likes, of course, as you know, she likes to do her cooking. So we're going to be doing that tomorrow, making a, hopefully tomorrow will be just as nice as it is right now. Woo! Okay. A lot of fruit, hon.
I already buy apple and mango, watermelon, no? I will buy watermelon
You buy whatever you want, hon.
for tomorrow.
I would buy one uncut and then put it in the freezer overnight so it'll be cold.
Ilang kilo sa watermelon?
Tag 60 ma'am. Tapos kayo ma'am.
Why gamay-gamay, anak?
Magpili ka ma'am. Gamay-gamay.
Tapisan siya, te.
Oh, tamis ma'am. Ilo-ilo gitan ma'am.
It's got a lot of fruit.
5.3 ma'am. Tapos 300. 300 lang ma'am.
A lot of fruit here.
300 lang.
It's good sized oranges too.
Yes.
Good looking oranges or bananas.
Hot sa, super hot.
What do you think? What do you think it is right now? I'm guessing it's over 100 degrees out here.
Maybe.
Easily over 100 degrees. You got everything you need for tomorrow?
Yeah.
Just in time to get home. Okay, I got. Okay, I'll hold this. If you can, you get it in the bag.
Yeah, everything's okay.
Oh, just give me that bag. Give me the green bag.
Heavy.
Okay. Okay, so we're ready to go with our 100 pounds of fruit and meat. Let's go. Oh, you think with the military here? All right. Kitty.
Ay, mag-type hindi ka blacker.
Okay, we gotta stop and get water. The water jugs. Look, you can see it from my shirt. That's all sweat. It is hot.
Yeah.
It is. My bag's got the back up.
Towel.
Yeah. Always carry towels, always. Carry one in your bag, carry one in your van.
Forgot to buy you a pop.
Yeah.
Cold pop.
You're fired. Woo! So we accomplished what we were looking for. We found Liam's airplane.
Yeah, 2. And I get the army truck.
You got the army truck
Yeah.
too?
So I buy 3.
Good job.
I-check wise. Here.
Here,
This one na lang.
here, wipe your face.
Your hand smells fish or crab.
No.
I said smells
Oh, you
crab.
smell? Does it smell like
Yeah.
crap? Yeah, smell.
Uy, kapag, di mo honey, uy. Uy, na-hungry na ba ya ako?
Are you hungry?
Uy, you don't have breakfast and lunch.
One more. One more. Love you.
Oh, ikay akong husband.
I said love you.
Love you too.
Give me one more.
Yeah, Liam said, love you, mama.
Love you, mama.
Love you, mama.
Okay.
Sometimes mommy, sometimes he call me Han.
Yeah.
Come here, sit down. I keep on following.
You like his English, don't you?
Yeah, I keep on following his.
He
word.
don't really have he doesn't really have an accent,
Hard.
a hard accent like you hear mostly from everyone else. But I know the camera's a little wopsy because I have it sitting on my dashboard, so sorry about that. My nose is red already. Look at this. This is just
Yeah.
being out in the sun for
Very hot.
maybe a half hour. Look at my nose. Look how red it is.
We call it here when the Holy Week is coming. We call Quaresma. Very strong heat.
Very strong. It's tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow will be a nice day. Do we have suntan lotion for the boy?
Yeah, we still have.
Because we will
Yeah.
roast like lechon.
It's okay. I have so many aloe vera plants there. We can bring it after you.
Burn?
Yeah.
We want to put it on before we burn.
I will bring aloe vera.
You put aloe vera on me. That's just like putting oil on meat. Okay, so we're gonna wrap this up and go home.
Yeah, because
This is a short video, but we thought you'd like to see what the wet market here in Liloan looks like. Wasn't a real in-depth because they really didn't have a lot open,
Yeah.
but just give you an idea of what's it like here in Liloan, Philippines. So I'm Kelly,
I'm
and we'll see you on our next Philippine Venture.
Bye bye. Keep on
Bye.
subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.